एवरीवन, नमस्कार। आज हम लोग कुछ ऐसे आसन सीखेंगे जो आपके डायबिटीज़ को कंट्रोल करने के लिए काफ़ी हेल्पफुल हैं। सो दीज आर वेरी 6 इजी योगा आसन्स विच विल हेल्प यू टू कंट्रोल एंड लोअर डाउन योर ब्लड शुगर लेवल्स। इसे कोई भी कर सकता है, दे आर वेरी इजी, इट्स बिगिनर लेवल। तो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। ओके, सो आपको क्या करना है, विल सिट ऑन द मैट। सुखासन में हम सभी लोग बैठेंगे इस तरह से। ओके, विल रिलैक्स, टेक 5 ब्रेथ्स। Relax yourself, relax your mind. Open up your eyes. Now once your body is calm, your mind is calm, सबसे पहला जो हम आसन करने वाले हैं that is your lumbar stretch. So how we enter into your lumbar stretch? So सभी लोग अपनी मैट पर पीठ के बल लेटेंगे. Everybody lie down easily, legs straight. पैरों को थोड़ा सा just like 1 inch centimeter 1 inch away आप रखेंगे. Relax your body, take a breath. Now gradually आप अपना left leg ऊपर उठाएंगे towards your chest. Keep it perpendicular to the ground. Look over here, it's quite perpendicular to the ground. Now grab your right hand. With your right hand you have to grab your left knee. Okay, and now with exhale आपको अपना जो knee है you have to pull it towards the ground. अपने hip के पास उसको रखेंगे, नीचे टच करेंगे. Now the left hand will be parallel to the ground and आप सभी लोग अपना जो neck है you will twist towards your left hand. आप सभी लोग अपने left hand की तरफ देखेंगे. Relax your body, stay here, try to touch your knee to the ground. We'll try to touch your knee. Stay here for 30 seconds and meanwhile keep breathing. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Once done, slowly हम अपना पैर वापस लेकर आएंगे. Bring it parallel. Hands parallel to the ground both. पैर को नीचे रखेंगे and we will repeat it on the other side now. So right leg up, perpendicular to the ground towards your chest. आप ये देखिए, knee आपका straight रहेगा, leg straight है towards your chest. Now my right hand is parallel to the ground. With my left hand I grab my right knee इस तरह से and I twist my body towards left and my neck towards my right hand. Gradually inhale and exhale. Stay here again for 30 seconds. Meanwhile keep inhaling and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Once done, come back normally to the ground. Arms close to your body, legs straight. Breathe normally for 15 seconds. Once done. Okay, so this was your lumbar stretch. Now we'll enter into your Dhanurasana. The second asana is your Dhanurasana. So now Dhanurasana basically आपके internal organs को massage करता है. It helps your pancreas to work properly. ठीक है? So how do we enter into your Dhanurasana now? So again हम लोग क्या करेंगे? मैट पर लेट जाएंगे इस तरह से. पेट के बल सभी लोग मैट पर लेटेंगे. अपने हाथों को बॉडी के पास रखेंगे विथ palms डाउन. टेक ब्रेथ हियर. ग्रेजुअली व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू इज हम लोग अपने पैरों को स्ट्रेट करेंगे. ठीक है? नाउ विल फोल्ड आवर लेग्स towards our hips. Now with our hands we will grab our ankles. ठीक है? So this is how we grab our ankles now. Take a breath here and जैसे ही आप अपनी breath यहाँ पे लेंगे you will inhale. आप अपनी chest को ऊपर की तरफ pull करेंगे. Right? So inhale and pull up your chest. We will not go much further. अपनी चेस्ट को पुल करना है, पैर को स्ट्रेच करना है. चेस्ट को पुल करना है, पैर को स्ट्रेच करना है. होल्ड हियर फॉर 30 seconds. एंड इफ यू आर अनेबल टू होल्ड आप लोग नीचे आ सकते हो. कैसे? ग्रेजुअली एक्सेल करेंगे, चेस्ट को नीचे लेकर आएंगे. स्लोली ब्रिंग योर चेस्ट डाउन, ब्रिंग योर लेग्स डाउन, स्ट्रेटन देम अप and relax. Relax here. Take a breath. You will not go fast. You will go slowly. And once you are relaxed, you catch your breath. You get up. Enter into your Balasana. Relax your body. And let's move towards your third asana. That is your Paschimottanasana. So for Paschimottanasana you will sit in staff pose. आपका spine straight रहेगा, legs आप लोग straight रखोगे. Specifically the distance between your feet and your legs should be your hip distance, not more than that. So we'll engage our feet. कोई भी feet को lose नहीं छोड़ेगा. So we'll keep on engage our feet. We'll engage our thighs. We'll engage our calves as well. Okay. So once you have done here, completely straight. So what we are going to do from here? Inhale करेंगे and exhale करते हुए will bend forward. Try to touch your toes. Bend forward, try to touch your toes and keep your shoulders away from your ear. Stay here. Now try slowly to bring your chin down to your chest. Try to bring your chin down to your chest. Stay here. Once done, slowly hands up and hands down. You can repeat this process 5 to 7 times to increase the intensity and to reap its benefits more. So initially अगर आप beginner हो, so you don't have to repeat so many times. आप इसको 15 to 20 seconds होल्ड कर सकते हो एंड देन यू कैन गेट बैक टू इट वंस अगेन. सो मीनवाइल आप जब पोजीशन के अंदर होते हो, यू आर डूइंग पश्चिमोत्तासन, आपने एक्सेल करते हुए आप बेंड करे हो, सो यू डोंट हैव टू होल्ड योर ब्रेथ देयर. स्टार्ट ब्रीदिंग नॉर्मली. ओके, नाउ दिस वाज द थर्ड आसन, दैट इज योर पश्चिमोत्तासन. The fourth asana, it's very easy, it's very simple, and it's my personal favorite. This is your Vipareet Karni. So for Vipareet Karni, what you have to do is, you just need to have to find a wall. This is a wall here. यहाँ आपको क्या करना है? You just have to shift towards the wall. Just look at me. Shift towards the wall, and gradually you will lie down on your mat. Take your legs up. आपको अपने हिप्स को completely वॉल के पास रखना है. टेक योर लेग्स अप. पुल योर फीट टूवर्ड्स यू. ओके, नॉट टूवर्ड्स द सीलिंग, टूवर्ड्स यू. कीप योर calves engaged, your hands parallel to the ground. Close your eyes and inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Relax your body. Relax your mind. Relax your fingers, your toes. Slow and deep breathing. We inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. You can hold this position for 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes easily. This will help you with regulation of blood sugar levels. This will help you with managing your blood pressure, and this will also regulate your blood flow. So relax here, and once you're done, if you start feeling this tingling sensation in your feet, what you can do is gradually pull your legs down, knees towards your chest. Okay, turn towards the left side slowly, and with the help of your right hand, get up. Simple. This is how you come out of your Vipareet Karni. Relax here, and once done, sit. Now from Vipareet Karni, we'll go into another asana, that is your Bhujangasana or the Cobra pose. Now for getting into Bhujangasana, again you have to be very sure about the placement of your hands, and if at all you're suffering from back pain, do not attempt it. Just leave it as it is. So let's see how we enter into Bhujangasana. So for again Bhujangasana, you have to lie down on your mat. Now the toes will be outside, placed firmly on the mat. आपके जो हाथ होंगे, they will be below your shoulder levels, beside your chest. Now from here, you have to say and move up. Lift your chest up and stay here. Push your palms into the mat. With the help of your arms and forearms, stay in this position. And once done, you can come down. Slowly come down. You can repeat Bhujangasana for 5 times. Each time hold it for 10 seconds initially. Now if you are pro with yoga, you can actually hold Bhujangasana for more than 5 minutes. It's not a problem. But for beginners, especially Hold it for 10 seconds and then come down. Relax. Now entering into a sixth asana and the final asana, that is a Shavasana. So for Shavasana, you have to lie down on the mat again with your back. Feet hip distance apart, hands slightly away from your body, palms facing the ceiling, closing your eyes, relaxing your body, deep breathing, inhale and exhale. Visualize the tension in your muscles going away. Feel your toes. Your toes are relieved. Feel your feet. Your feet are relaxed. Feel your calves. Your calves are stretched and now are relaxing. Feel your back. Feel your spine relaxing. Feel your arms, your shoulders, your chest relaxing, relieving the tension. Feel your mind being calm. No thoughts crossing by. Feel the breath traveling throughout your body, the way you are breathing, the way you are exhaling, the way oxygen and the prana is traveling inside. So you just have to relax completely in Shavasana. It's a good kind of meditation where you just feel and absorb all the energy. You feel yourself. You connect with yourself. Now slowly open up your eyes. Move your fingers, your feet, come to your senses and gradually sit in Sukhasana. So these were 6 simple asanas which you can practice at home pretty easily, and these will help you with managing your blood sugar levels. These can be done without any extra energy required. Even if you're feeling sick, you are down, you don't feel like doing a lot of good amount of cardio or HIIT workouts, these asanas will actually help you to feel fresh. So whenever you feel you are unable to do any difficult or intense form of exercises, you can practice these 6 simple asanas and they will help you a lot. I hope you found these asanas and the entire video useful, and just let me know if you need any more assistance regarding this. Thank you. Namaskar.